Why couldn't I have killed that dragon when I found him in the woods?
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him and I saw myself. Toothless.
And you want to keep it a secret? To protect your pet dragon? Are you serious?
Yes. Take this out on me. Be mad at me, but please, just don't hurt Toothless.
The dragon? That's what you're worried about? Not the people you almost killed?
He's just protecting me. He's not dangerous.
They've killed hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them!
How can I say this without breaking? How can I say this without taking over? How can I put it down into words when it's almost too much for my soul alone? I loved and I loved and I lost you. I loved and I loved and I lost you. I loved and I loved and I lost you. And it hurts like hell. Yeah, it hurts like